Hello and welcome back to APTeck tutorial. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to change your desktop and turn it into a high contrast environment. All you need to do for now is just on your mouse, right click and select personalize, and then navigate to themes here on the left panel, and then come here to high contrast settings. Some people like to have high contrast on their computer, especially at night. Sometimes they're good to see it. Uh, so here you click on this button here and look what happened to the screen, right? So everything changes around your screen. So if you click here, look, everything is gonna change. Some people like this way. And then here you have various several options. Contrast 1, you can play around with it and then change the test to the disabled test, the hyperlinks, how they gonna look along the way. So basically, this is just to show you how to change it in your Windows 10 computer, and that's about it. So I will click on apply, and I'm just gonna close, and that's about it. If you look how my icons changed and how my computer looks, my desktop, if you look at the contrasts, it's very hard contrast. So um, that's it. That's about it. If you want to get rid of it, all you need to do is again right click again, go to personalize, go back to theme, and then come here in high contrast and turn it off. And that's all. That's all you need to do for now. And I hope you like this short video. If you did, just click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.